Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and the Tricks. And the other day I was building a brick wall, and I started thinking there's an easier way to duplicate this and make it all the same. And if you go to Arrange in Transformation and just pick any of these because they'll come up, because you can change it here, and then Mirror, we're going to mirror it to the right in the center, both horizontally and vertically, and we're going to make 3 copies. And what it did, it flipped over the copies each time. Now they are too close together, so let's nudge it out of the way 1 inch. Let's just take this when they're a group. So we're going to nudge that one out of the way. Now select them all, go to Arrange, go to Order, go to Align and Distribute, open up the Align and Distribute Docker and distribute them horizontally this way. Now you've got a brick wall in just a few keystrokes that have flipped over, and they're equally spaced apart, and they look like they're a random pattern. Maybe I should have done the video with filled in blocks so you could see it more, but you can see how it looks like a random pattern now because they're flipped over horizontally and vertically. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.